Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 362 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Marc Jacobs Le Marc Petite Liquid Lip Crayon to try out, and this is a sample that I got from Sephora. I have it in the shade Plump and Get It. But so this in the full size version retails for $26 and it comes in 10 different shades. It has a high rating on the Sephora website, which makes me even more excited to try this out. And when reading about this, it just sounds so cool because it's supposed to be very long wearing and it's supposed to be like a liquid lipstick, but in crayon formula. And then it also claims to have this ghost pearl finish, which is supposed to be unlike any other finish. So I'm so excited to see how that looks too. So let's get into this product. Cute packaging. And here it is. It's just like that chubby stick formula and it twists up, which is great. Let's see how much. Oh, I don't want it to get stuck, but for a sample, I think you get quite a good amount of product here. And so I'm really into how easy it is to apply a lip product and how easy it is to get a precise shape. So like when it's a very small doe foot applicator or something like that, an interestingly shaped lipstick, I get excited to try it out because I love when something's very easy to apply, especially for my small lips. So I think that this pencil will be very good for that, but let's find out. Also, I want to swatch it. See that ghost pearl finish? But oh my gosh, I only had to lightly touch it to my finger to get full pigment. So this is very pigmented and it glides on so easily. And yes, I can see that ghost pearl finish, which to me just kind of looks like a metallic finish, but very pretty. And this shade is so beautiful. It's such a shade that I would be drawn to. So I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on my lips. Gosh, it's like such a treat and so fun for me to try out high-end makeup because I am such like a dollar store inexpensive makeup type of person, but I am really falling in love with a lot of high-end products, especially when they look as beautiful as this one right here. Like the application, so quick and easy, and this just looks amazing on the lips. I am obsessed with this color, and that like ghost pearl finish looks amazing. It really does look metallic, but not quite as metallic as like a metallic lipstick. So I love that shine, and it has that like, let me get up close, like kind of a purple shine to it. So it is like a little bit color changing the way the light hits it, and it looks so good and hydrating on my lips. My lips look smooth, they look so healthy, perfected. So I love the look of my lips right now. This feels very moisturizing too. It's not the least bit dry. It actually feels like I have a lip balm on my lips right now. That's the formula. So it's like thin, moisturizing. Now this claims to be very long lasting like a liquid lipstick, so let's see how it does with a transfer test. So I would say that's like a half and half transfer mark here. Like it still looks very good on my lips. It still looks like fully intact, still opaque color. And because of that, I would say that this is long lasting, which I love, especially because this is a color I'm going to want to wear a lot, and I want it to be able to stay on my lips all day long. and I really think that it will be able to. They really got me with this sample because now I want to buy it in the full-size version and I want to buy it in all of the different colors because I really do love this formula. And now I also feel like I just want to keep trying out more high-end products because I am just like so impressed by them a lot of the times. So it's really fun for me since I love, love, love makeup, especially after doing this series for almost a year now. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorite high-end makeup products are, and if you have any Marc Jacob products that you love too, because now I also feel like I need to try out more from Marc Jacob. I've barely tried anything from his makeup line, so gotta get more of that too. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.